Hey guys, we are in Pelling right now. It's freezing out here. Found this awesome place in our hotel. It has a beautiful view of the sky. Fortunately, the sky is full of stars. We have Wabukure over here trying to figure out what to do. There is SSK room. There is my camera taking the star trails. Let's see what I can do. Hey guys, what's up? This is Sam the Lost Hero and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I have uploaded my last video, so I'm sorry for that. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make star trails very easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here are all the images that I shot that night in Sikkim. In star photography or astrophotography, you need to take a lot of shots if you want to make a star trail or anything. Let me open one and show you guys. So this shot was taken at ISO 1600 at f1.8 and the shutter was open for about 13 seconds, and I took about 200 shots with I guess 15 seconds of interval in between. I used the inbuilt interval meter that is loaded in my D5300, and you can also buy an intervalometer outside very easily. I use the built-in function of my camera. So here's the thing. So I took about 200 images, and to stack the photos we need to put it in a software called Star Stacks, which I will show you later, and then we'll get a smooth star trail in this image. So now we will import all these images into Lightroom, which I have already done. Now we will do some basic editing. We don't want to do much because it's already shot on ISO 1600 and it will deteriorate the quality of the image a lot if we do a lot of editing in this. So let's start. We are done with the editing, and after this all you got to do is copy the developer settings like this, select all only, and then Control A, select all the images here, and then again go to developer settings and then paste settings. And currently it is pasting all the settings. This means that all the images, all the 200 images will look the same. That's what we want in star trails, you know. And after this is done, we will export the images. Control Shift E, and now name the folder whatever you want. And after that, export of the images. These are 199 images, so this will take a bit of time. So sit back and wait till all your images get exported. Okay, so we are done exporting all the files. After this, you have to go to the site and download this software called Star Stacks, which I have already installed, and open this up. Now simply drag and drop all the images over here. Let me now select all, Control A, load up all the files in here. After that, click on this start processing option and wait for some time. The star trail will automatically show up. Okay, so we are done stacking the image, and this is the final result. After that, we will save this. I will save it in the desktop, for example. Okay, now the image is saved. Open this up and check it. See, it's so easy. It's done. Okay, so now we will open this again for the last time in Lightroom to make some final changes. Okay, now I'm going to do some basic changes to this final image so that it looks good. So I'm done with the edit, and this is what it looks like after the edit, and this was before and this is after. Okay, so this is the final image, and this is how you make a star trail. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys learned something new. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram because I post all my images over there. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace. go? The video is over.